Welcome back. Good morning, team. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Looking at the Nasdaq right now, trading at about the 29 something. Recovered in a couple of days, back to highs almost. We're about to touch a level that I would like to touch, but kind of unsure about it. We do have news coming up, ISM factory numbers. Okay, it's coming right now. Looking kind of chop. Check out highs just now of London. Think I'm gonna take it. Let's see. It's pushing up hard right now. Yes, so we are back. It's 9:33 Eastern Standard Time. Welcome back to our show. It's your host, always doing the most important Mario Mogul moves. Back with some live Nasdaq trades. Like I said, I think we're gonna push up, and then some levels right here that I'm kind of concerned about, but not really. We are touching that level that I am concerned about right now, but will we drop? It's not even a level that I even am that concerned about, so we might pull up. It's coming up now. See what it do. This might push up for a little bit. We got some levels up here. Everything is about 200 points away at minimum. Might have to keep going up. Kind of like this level right here. I'm gonna try it. Yes, sir. Sold Nas. Stop loss is only 40 points. So take profit is going to be 200. Yeah, we're in. We're in. Matter of fact, I'm going to put my stop loss to break even on the next trade. Easy money. So, broken even on the next trade. Made only 100 today. So, it's probably going to make one more high. As it came back. It's looking lovely. The short looked lovely. How much was that? Caught a nice move today. That was one. Now we're going to push up one more time. See what it do. Let's push in. Caught a nice short for about 100 points, bro. 100 points. Should push a little bit more from here. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Got some resistance here for sure.
If you want to start trading, stop fucking around, subscribe to Motion Capital Trading. They got what you need to get started and become the Terminator of trading. Take it from me and stop fucking around.
I think I'm gonna short. Let's see. Nope. It's gonna push. It's gonna push. It's gonna push a little bit more further up. This thing could hit 30,000, guys. See how far it's gonna go. It's definitely like playing around up here at this top area. It basically went nowhere last night too. It was 250 points. Pushing hard right now. Definitely pushing to the upside right now.
Started from the bottom. Now I'm living my dream. Trading every day with Motion Capital Trading. These guys don't play. Like, comment, and subscribe. You will not regret it.
So we caught a little move. We caught a couple points. Caught 90 points on this short. Small stop loss, 25 points. But I took a small loss right here when it bounced off of this moving average. It's pulling into our zone right now. Shout out to C Block. Let's go. 10 a.m. news again today. Consumer something. ISM numbers, service numbers in about 15 minutes. Looks like I'm gonna take a stab at this short. I don't know. Let me see how it's gonna print. Nah, I'm gonna hold out. I think it's gonna go up a little bit more. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna go up a little bit more. A new 15-minute candle just opened. It's pushing hard. Best team on freaking stream. Shout out to C Block and everybody tuning in. Let's go. Okay, I'm liking this candle right here. I think I'm gonna short. Damn, did I make a mistake? Yeah, I think I made a mistake. Let's see. I just put on a small size. Let me put my stop loss at the top. I scale in with 2 entries, so in worst case, I'll lose a position on this. But let's see if we like this area to short. I just shorted right here. 40-point stop. Let me see. It looks like it's gonna hit our stop. I think this might go. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna probably stop us with a small loss. Let's see. Yeah, it's pushing. Let me just close it out with a small loss then. $100 loss. If we push up. Nope. It's still holding. Let me see if I'm going to add to it. I got like PTSD from yesterday. It's building up some shorts right here, but will it short? Down 80 bucks on a small position. Trying to prepare myself. We got news in 13 minutes. So be careful with that. Building up a small position right now. Stop loss above this candle. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to take us out. Let me close it with a small loss. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, small loss. All right, so I'm at break even for today. Let's see. Let's see. I kind of knew that this one wasn't gonna work. Just how close this moving average is. If it would have blew right through it, then I would have been like, yeah, it's gonna go. Could have had an edge if I would have started right here, and then we would have been up a few points. But it didn't hit stop yet. Did not hit stop yet. It's about to. This thing could go to 30 grand though. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, it's in a overly buy area. This area right here. It might come up into this 30 grand and a wick. So I think I'm probably stretching it with the shorts, but let's see. This one is still alive right now. This short. But I think it's gonna pull back and drop. Take all of this out and then come down. Let's see. Got 10 seconds left for this one. It basically didn't hit our stop, our 40-point stop yet. Right here. It's looking like it wants to do that though. Oh, okay. I'm entering again. Let's go. Where's my freaking chart? Where's my match trader? There we go. That's what I was looking for. I'm in. I'm in. Technically, I shouldn't have even taken that loss. Let me enter one more time, just because. Actually, I'm gonna protect my bag. I'm in. Stops above this candle right here, this high. I should have just trusted my gut and put that candle stop loss here. Ooh, bouncing off our moving average. Damn. I kind of needed to blow right through this moving average. Beautiful reaction right now, though. My first target is going to be down here. And then my ultimate target, since we have a wide stop loss of about, let's say 50 points, I'm gonna aim for 300. Down here. Hopefully we could get a break of this area down and make back all the losses we did yesterday and more. Up right now, 200 on the play. Shorted the Nas, told the team. Ain't nothing changed. Best team on stream. Let's go. Up 3 something. Of course, I told the team, rinse, wash, and repeat every single day. I could have saved myself $200 if I would have trusted my gut. We would have entered here. Stops would have been up here. We would have been in 60 more points of profit if we would have trusted our gut. But had some PTSD from yesterday. So kind of sold us a little short. Matter of fact, our target should be a little bit closer. But I think it'll go at least like 200 if it drops, leaves this level. Come down here, it's at break even again. Careful. Damn. What's going on? Will we come back up or will we fail this area? I think we're gonna fail, bro. Let's go. Yeah, we back in green. Should go at least down towards the 700s. Excuse me. Best freaking team on stream, man. Who's ready to catch these shorts? Let's go crazy.
You can't keep getting away with it! You can't keep getting away with it! You won't.
Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy today. Oh. 6 more minutes until news. Keep that in mind. Shout out to Cam. Let's go. About to go crazy right now, Cam. About to go crazy right now. Hoping that we melt. Hoping that we melt, man. Quick scalp, that's what's up. I'll break it down. I'll let you guys know how we do after the trade and why I took it. I basically was aiming for this yesterday, but it was a breakout yesterday. I am gonna cover some of my trade because I kind of went a little heavy on this one, but we're already up $500. Ooh, it's pulling back a little bit. We need to lose this low right now. The news is coming out in 4 minutes too, so the volatility is gonna kick in. I suspect we're gonna hit this target quick. Quick. Or we can hit stops quick. It's coming down pretty well. I like what it's doing. But don't love it. It's been a couple minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, and we didn't take off yet. That's the only thing. It's trending under this trend line, right? This moving average. Got what? 2 more minutes left till news. These numbers come out. Hopefully we don't get wrecked. If we do, calling it a day, bro. It's just up 5. Looks like it wants to push, man. Man, oh man. Looks like it wants to push, bruh. After a couple minutes, I was like, man. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. 50 seconds. Little drawdown ain't gonna hurt, but damn. Little drawdown ain't gonna hurt. Don't shake me out. Don't shake me out the trade. Don't shake me out the trade, man. It's kind of a scary trade. Price is okay. The numbers is out. What is it gonna do?
You can't keep getting away with it! He can't keep getting away with it! He won't.
Sending out heaters all summer, man.
What more do you want from me?
Gotta trust the process, homie. That's all. I was supposed to, like I said, have a 60-point edge on this trade. This might this I would have probably realistically had a better profit margin if I would have entered this correctly. I did not. I entered it way down here, so I apologize, but I'm not perfect. Would have had a 60-point edge. We're busting right now. I told you.
And another one. And
I'm just messing with you guys.
And another one.
Bussin'. Okay, so I told the team that we are shorting the Nasdaq right now. Of course, I let everyone know in the Discord. We're floating about 85 points right about now. It was a sticky one. They tried to shake us out the trade, but we wasn't having it. We was not having it. I'm gonna take some off right under this area here. So right when, okay, I already set my take profit for some of these trades. 85 points in profit so far. Aiming for these lows of the day. Tail my trades at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. I did tell the Discord what I was doing, and it's working out. Of course, I let the team know we're floating about 1,000 in profits. About 80 points it was in profit, and I was pulling back a little bit. Pull back straight to these lows right here. Straight to this dump. Don't tell me I should have took my profits. But that's what it's kind of giving me that right now. It's gonna dump. It's definitely gonna dump. It's gonna take this low out in another minute. Of course, we told the team that we were shorting the NAS today, and we hit profit, a small profit target earlier as well. And this is the second entry for the day for the VIP. I'm looking for lows to be swept right here, at least. This was around New York lows. We got London lows over here, so that's kind of what I'm targeting, but seem to show some type of support right here. Hopefully we don't break even on this trade. I was just about to cover my costs on some of the trade right there. It's pulling back hard. I'm gonna break even if it comes back. Very manipulative. Look at that. I don't like that at all. Pushed right back up. I'm still gonna hold it, I guess. Yeah, it should just be resistance. We should break to these lows soon. It's giving buyers and sellers a chance today. Looking for these lows to be swept. Didn't really break any structures to the downside right now. It's kind of holding this level, which it definitely should take this level out if it wanted to sell. I guess if it wants to buy, it should hold it, but This was supposed to be an easy level to break. It's holding it up. Should break it right now. Could have shook me out of my sell. I'm still thinking about breaking even on it. Still a tough decision to make. I should have covered myself with some type of coverage here. Let's see. I was 86 points in profit, 90 points in profit. What a tough day. Let's see. It's tailing my my entry, holding this level of resistance with the moving average as well. It's kind of trying to turn the market over, but it's failing to do so. I'm gonna prepare myself to break even on it. Shot down for news, and now it's pulling back up to our entry. I guess the sells ain't so strong, so we're gonna have to break even on the trade. Let's see. I'm gonna hold it because it's holding that support, but look at the 15-minute on the NAS right here. I'm expecting one big red candle soon, but I shouldn't expect. See? A lot of buyers are in here. So definitely should have protected the bag. As long as it doesn't hit this area here, we're good. I guess I could tighten up my stop a little bit just to here, because this is our original where our entry was supposed to be. So I don't want to be super impulsive. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put our stop right here just in case and tighten it so we don't lose as much on the trade. Yeah, I held it. I'm suspecting that we're gonna break. I tightened my stop a little bit, so if anything, it'll stop us out like right here. But man, I think we should be good. Super Gucci. But my gut is telling me we should break even, so yeah, I think I'm gonna break even, man. I ain't even gonna do it to myself. Let's see. I'm gonna let my stop loss rock right here. Hoping that we melt. Hope that we melt, hope that we melt, hope that we melt, hope that we melt. Hope we follow through with the melt. Hope we follow through with the melt. But the 15-minute is showing some type of support. I just don't know if it's fake support, but I'm gonna have to close it because it basically hit my target already. I usually aim for that 15-minute moving average, so that means that it probably got some ways to pretty much head to. Break even on the trade. So yeah, I think it got some ways to go, Mike. It's gonna push. So tough day. I mean, I could have closed out with about probably around 1,000 in profit, but when there's news, it's like very manipulative, so I ain't gonna force it. I'm gonna listen to my gut, and that's what I learned to do in life when trading. But basically, what I would aim to do is aim to hit this moving average on the 15-minute, and I already did that. So the buyers that was at this area got activated, and I'm fighting against that. So I think what might happen for this concept to actually come into play, it might have to hit this next level, and then I'll get that retracement back to that moving average on the 15. But the more I look at it and try to sit in something that is resisting, I can't do it. So I'm just gonna walk away from this concept now. If I see that it wants to buy, maybe, but I'm not gonna go against my data. But basically, you probably could have gotten in a buy when it retraced after news. Who knows? Like right here, you would have been floating in this small buy right here. This was like a 90-point buy, probably 100-point buy. But I can't really call it. It is a good entry that I got, though. I could have kept it, but this area made me get shaken out because it's holding some level of support into this level. Yeah, I could have got a scalp, 2 scalps, and that's what I did. But yeah, small profit today, probably what, $100 or so. 200 bucks. Could have been over 1,000 for sure. Still floating in profit actually. So you don't have to close it. I should have probably let it rock, but because it is holding up my level pretty well for the shorts. I might get in again and put my stop right above this area here on just a small trade, just to tail it, just to follow along with it. Let's see if it'll come back. I'll enter in a short here, or if it comes up here, then I ain't really gonna mess with it. This is the midpoint right here. If I really want to mess with it, but I'm glad that I don't have any exposure right now to this madness, because in all reality, I would have wanted this to take off already, and it's just not worth the time. It's already 28 minutes, and I could have been probably at a profit target already of about 200 or more on certain days. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. See, it's coming back to my entry. Definitely glad that I got out. Definitely glad that I got out, bro. So, it's just playing around this area right here. Playing around this area. But I guess showing up every day is your job. So, can't knock it. I'm still making money doing it. Looks like it's gonna go, bro. So I'm gonna jump back in. Fuck it. I'm gonna take a scalp this time. It's gonna go, bro. See? Our trade is freaking working out. I should have left it. I'm still in. Let's go. I got in on the worst entry though. This is probably where it's gonna try to get me at. Definitely should lose these levels right here at this point. Definitely should lose these levels right here, bro. See how it's bouncing off that 15-minute? That's the problem. That's the problem right there. You gotta lose that 15-minute moving average. I got in for a nice quick one. Because we already floating like, what, 100 points in profit. Hopped back in. Tight stop above this candle. Tighten up my stop. Tighten up my stop. We busting. We busting. Ooh wee. So I re-entered minimal risk on the same concept. I would have had a mean ass. I would have been up 100 points if I would have just entered with my process, but got shaken out today. But I'm still up right now like 1,000. That's how much I was up before anyway. So it's pushing hard right now. I'm gonna take profits right when it hits this low right here. All of this shit. We're busting in profit right now. Over 100 something points in profit. Told the team. Ooh wee. We are cracking right now. It should melt like right here. It's gonna dump. Right here is gonna dump. Everybody's stop losses right here. That bought this morning. The stops is over here. Let's go. Come on. They're trying to take out a lot of these traders right now. If you don't take your profit in like 2 minutes, they're gonna come back. They're gonna come back on your ass. That's for sure. Over 100 in profit. Let's just try to close this before it takes us out. Yeah, it's gonna get us because we didn't cover ourselves. We didn't cover ourselves. 600. It's not bad though. Yeah, I had to scalp it because we're hitting that moving average, bouncing. It's a buy and sell day, so as a seller you could get money, and as a buyer you could get money, but it's just like it keeps pulling back. Keeps pulling back. If it loses this low, we make money. If it holds this, it'll bounce. It's kind of like an agitating day though to be sitting through all of this. It's a tight range today. That's what I could say. It's just a tight range, man. That's all. Everywhere where I would want to get in, because I knew I was right, but I'm chasing it now. It's bouncing off of that as for buys because of this moving average here on the 15. Trying to get this quick scalp right here. See if we can hit another low for the session. We pretty much hit the low of the session just now. So looking to hit another one. Come on, let's go. There it is. Best team on stream. I told you guys. Short. Just need one more level to drop. Yeah, we're gonna make some bank. Execution was on point today, though. I mean, yeah, we up 2 bands profit. Let's go. Locked it in. Locked it in, homie. So, for the team, 170 points in profit. Well, I'll just call it 130 points in profit. So I guess the concept does work, but when it has the moving average, it should break it, but it's gonna tag you break even on your runner or whatnot. But we closed out profit. We closed out profit for today. We made back all the losses from yesterday and we're up. So for the week, let's see how much we're up for this week. $6,000 up on the account. Let me just do from Monday till now. From Monday till today, we're up 2,000. $1,700 for in profit. Best team on straight. What can I say? We do this every freaking day. It was a tough day to catch though. I knew so 2 out of 3 days when I wake up, we catching big shit. Catching big shit. We catching 150. I damn near, like, if I would have followed my process, I think we did everything we could. I ain't gonna lie, because I don't think I would have entered as sharply as I said I was. I think where we got in was cool. The stop loss was tight. It's kind of wide. 50-point stop. 250 points we're aiming for, so it should drop, or ideally it could drop down way down here. At the low of the day, it's gonna take out all of that shit. So we're gonna hit our ultimate target. It seems like, and this would be the second one for the week. Yesterday we took what, 2 to 3 losses. We managed our risk, and then we came back. What can I say?
Another one, and another one, and another one, and another one.
We caught one. At 950, I told everybody I was selling again. So from 940, I was telling y'all I was selling. Like up here, 940, but in between 940 and 950. It's kind of a slow day though. It's kind of a slow day, bro. So kind of a slow day. I definitely bossed up on the trade, so made it happen. 150 points in profit right now. Slow grinding. Slow grind, better than no grind, homie. Had a little bit of support at that moving average, like I said, and it had to break it, and that's what it just did. So it could come back right now. But we did our thing. But you know what time it is? We've been trading for about an hour, and every time we've done our job and my stop loss is to break even, we locked in profit. I go for a coffee break. If you guys want to support me, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. That's all I ask. And yeah, I see you guys on the other side. We're gonna rock out. I'm gonna get my coffee, and then I'm gonna break down the trade a little bit. You guys can ask me anything you want, and yeah, let's sharpen each other's skills, man. I'm happy that we are able to smack TP. We're 2-1 right now for the week, and the TPs that we're smacking is big shit. Like we're up 3x on this, so we made back all of the loss from yesterday, and then we hit like 600 points on Monday. So it's looking like we're gonna hit this ultimate TP, like right here. It's looking like we're gonna hit that. It's looking like we're gonna hit that for sure. But it was a tough trade. It was like sloppy, and it was coming back. You kind of had to be committed to it. That's kind of how I would explain it, but we made it happen, man. Doing it live was kind of a mess. Like, this is a long ass trade right now. It was like from this area here to over here is about 53 minutes, and we didn't even hit full TP yet, but it's looking like we will. Beautiful trade though. Beautiful trade. I'm not gonna discredit what we do, but yeah, shout out to the team.
Sway, you don't have the answers, Sway. Motion Capital Trading got the answers. If you're not subscribed, you're bugging the fuck out. They got the best trading shit on YouTube, hands down. Who else got better shit? Nobody, Sway, nobody.
Nobody. Nobody who could do you like me. Nobody, baby. Let's see. Smack the TPs. P&L looking crazy. I got a proven model and psyche, I guess, or psychology that goes with it. And I think that's mainly what it is. Like, a lot of people trying to learn the next concept, which is not a problem, but what I think, you know what? I'll just save the gems for myself. But to put you guys into perspective of what I'm talking about, I'll say the main key is, yeah, you can find the concept, but you gotta know how to accept the losses and trade different market environments with that concept to be profitable. That's what I would say. But hey, I don't want to come off like I'm a super expert here, because I didn't make $1 million yet. But that's from the consistency that I've seen so far. I think that's what it takes. I don't think there's a magic indicator or system, because our system is dope, no doubt. But I think that it's about learning how to use that system in different environments to put yourself more into profit. We're still busting on ourselves right now, dog. If we hit two this week, that'll be beautiful. Ultimate targets. And the way that I do it, I just 5 times my risk and aim for that. Whatever my stop loss was, and I got to be considerate to myself that I have to get a good entry. I would say this was an optimal entry. I had a trade right here that I closed out. I was like, yeah, it's gonna hit stop loss. I had the perfect fucking entry, and I said, yo, it's gonna hit stop, and I closed it. It was so crazy this morning, bruh. But I'm glad that I'm seeing it. There's no rush. There's no rush, because once you know the knowledge, every year you can make bank doing this. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tap in with the community. I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this. We only got 3 spots for mentorship. But yeah, tap in with us. Buy me a coffee. We got some buy me a coffee links that I'm going to drop. That's been a big thing. You can buy me a coffee and, tap in with the free Discord, rub some shoulders with the team, the winning team. Let me grab my coffee, and this is a segment of the show where I actually do grab my coffee, not because I'm trying to make it into a statement, but literally when I wake up, I don't have time to make my coffee. I wake up and I jump right on the charts. So I kind of do get it started, but I don't like actually make it and put it in the cup and stuff. So that's what I do mid-show. If I earn my coffee, I make my coffee after we hit a certain amount of targets or we did our job. Now $1,700 on a day, not too bad, not too bad. And we're gonna keep this show going. We got the ultimate target coming up. It's about 60 points away probably, and we're gonna continue this ride. So let's rock out. I might play some AI tunes. Maybe I should do that to keep the show going. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play some AI tunes. I'm gonna play some AI records, and like I did last year, AI albums. And there was some hot shit. There was some hot shit that I would find scrolling through. Um, I see a lot of Eminem. Let's see, Tory Lanez and Future, Gunna. 3 years ago. This one's 1 year ago. Let me put on some new shit. I want to put on some crazy hot AI shit. Cause I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. The model proved itself to me today. Yesterday I was like, oh, okay. Didn't sway me. I did tell the team, like, you know, that's what the market makers do. They throw you off your game 1 or 2 days. But if you keep the same mentality and you come back, minimize your risk the day that it's not working, whew. Whew. I did get shaken out of my trade a bit today, but it wasn't that bad, bro. It wasn't that bad, honestly. Like, I got conviction a couple times and I got in. Had a little drawdown here and there. Nothing too crazy, but I think they're minimizing these AI albums now. They're not really like promoting them not as much as I used to see. Let's see. A lot of these are like 3 years ago and shit. We got some bangers in the room, man. We got some bangers in the room. Actually, shit. I didn't even post this yet on X. I'll do that when I find this album. It's no big deal. So what I decided to click on is this channel right here. It has some AI shit, AI music. We're gonna test it out from all different artists. Let's see. Oh, this is, I guess he created this himself. I guess he made his own AI artist. This one is, they got Travis Scott, Kendrick Lamar.
I can't make you love me no more. I'm just being honest. I know that you got it. We be taking late night drives. Right hand gripping on your thigh. Getting lost in your pretty brown eyes. Tryna fuck, baby, call me anytime. Calling my name, girl, you know what I like. Don't try to front, girl.
Not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Let's see what else he got. He got like that Drake type of stuff. He got a lot of Ye and Travis. Maybe we could play some Ye. Let's see what he got with Ye. I think this fits the vibe a little bit better. Legendary.
Shut your bitch ass up. They said Yeezy, stop that tweet and shut your rich ass up. Homie, what's your net worth? Shut your broke ass up. Couple billy in the bank and that was just last month. Huh? Shut your bitch ass up.
Sway. You don't have the answers, Sway. Motion Capital Trading got the answers. If you're not subscribed, you're bugging the fuck out. They got the best trading shit on YouTube, hands down. Who else got better shit? Nobody, Sway. Nobody.
I must see Buddha.
Shut your bitch ass up. They said Yeezy, stop that tweet and shut your rich ass up. Homie, what's your net worth? Shut your broke ass up. Couple billy in the bank and that was just last month. Huh? Shut your bitch ass up. 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 Huh? I done gave niggas hella game and I ain't charged nothing. I be sending threats to my phone, but they ain't did nothing. Life is like a spoiled brat, them bitches always want something. Can't be cuffing nothing, all these hoes, they be crew loving. All this pressure got them stressed, said don't kill me bout a bitch. Bitch, I'll kill your ass for less. I ain't even tryna flex, got this gold around my neck. Take a piss right on your block, I don't show them no respect. I can't trust a soul.
Alright, I'm gonna grab my coffee. We did our thing.
Everybody acting fake. This industry is shady, they ain't got what it takes. They tryna write my ending, I can see it on their face.
Be right back.
Shut your bitch ass up. They said Yeezy, stop that tweet and shut your rich ass up. Homie, what's your net worth? Shut your broke ass up.
We did our thing.
Billy in the bank and that was just last month. Huh? Shut your bitch ass up. Huh? Shut your bitch ass up, huh? Shut your bitch ass up, huh?
Best team on stream.
So like, comment and subscribe to Motion Capital Trading. Take it from me, they got some fire shit. At first I didn't know how to trade. Now I'm trading like a fucking pro.
150 plus in profit. Actually 200 in profit for the team if you followed along with us, because we are the best team on fucking stream. Everybody knows that. If you ain't following along right by now, then I don't know what you're doing. We've been doing this for way too long.
So I hit the release, keeping it low cause I like the mystique. Making mistakes I don't wanna repeat. Unlimited cash, my pockets is deep. They said I'm the one, I gotta agree. No, I don't wanna wake up. Gotta get my cake up, ayy. Gotta roll this weed up, ayy. In my crib, I got plaques on plaques, yeah. In my pockets, I got stacks on stacks, yeah. Evil can evil, I do stunts on my own.
It's kinda hot.
Watch your mouth, better turn your fucking tone down.
Kinda hot, kinda hot.
Meet me in the lobby, I'll be 30 minutes. Man, I can't give up now, I was never finished. Yeah, I don't really care, huh? I don't get no fucks, huh? I don't get no fucks, huh? I don't get no fucks. Master P, I'm bout it, ducking from Illuminati. Dressing room is way too crowded. Bitches lie like Meg the Stallion. Fuck a ranch, I bought a mountain. Elon Rich, I'm always counting. Never once, I never doubted. President is yay, I need that shit today. Told him give me 50 million, need it now, okay? They tried to crucify me cause my life is on display. I'm praying up to God cause I'm sinning every day. I'm praying up to God just to find another way. Talk about this life shit, you know it's give or take. Man, I can't trust a soul, they be stealing off my plate. They be talking about the best, but they know there ain't no debate. I'ma get it right the first time, I can't make mistakes. Man, I can't make it easy for them. Got a problem, can't ignore it. No, I can't ignore it now. No, I can't ignore it now. Yeah, yeah. Get no fucks. Get no fucks, yeah, yeah. Get no fucks. Get no fucks, yeah, yeah. Get no fucks. Get no fucks, yeah, yeah. Get no fucks. I don't get no fucks, yeah, yeah. Meet me in the lobby, I'll be 30 minutes. Man, I can't give up now, I was never finished. Yeah, I don't really care, huh? I don't get no fucks, huh? I don't get no fucks, huh? I don't get no fucks.
I must see Buddha.
Tweeting all the time, I don't care about my mentions. I don't want a little, I want all the attention. All my niggas carry toolies, they got all the switches. I got all this old swag, still got all the bitches. Get up on the beat and it's a body bag. Pussy niggas talking, yeah, they really, really, really mad. Talking like a gangster, but you never really been that. Talking about some L's, little nigga, where your wins at? Talking about some money, little boy, where your funds at? Talking about some straps, little man, where your guns at? Never been a rookie, all these niggas overlook me. Put my foot up on their necks, cause they know that I'm the best. I'm up next, yeah. My life a movie, man, I already seen it. Remember when they did me dirty, had to clean it. Give me a second, just a minute, had to think just how I did it. Paradise is how I'm living, I'm just hoping I'm forgiven. I don't know how you forgave me. I just hope now you can save me. I don't know how they forgave me. I just hope now you can save me. Catch me outside, we out at night. 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 They can't fuck with me no more. They can't tell me what to do. I can never be like you. It don't matter what I do. 100 deep coming through. Get that check, I'm coming through. And I'm bringing money too. Same shit I did for me, I turned around and did for you. Don't you ever get to thinking I can't pull up right on you. Time for me to go and pray. A lot of shit for me to say. I don't care about them fakes, I'ma kill them anyway. I mean it, standing cash, I'm leaving. My demons, too much shots, they bleeding. I need it, roll that blunt, I'm feeding. Believe it, I don't even need no reason.
Insane. Just about 250 points in fucking profit. About an hour later, couple grand fucking richer. Damn. So, just to keep this in perspective, we hit our big target on Monday. We lost a little bit yesterday. And then we made it all back, plus some today. Where do they do that at, buddy?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to be here with you today. I've had the privilege of playing many iconic roles, but above all, I am a storyteller. And today, I want to tell you a story about how motion capital trading helped me flip my fucking account.
I must see Buddha.
One day I was scrolling on YouTube, right, and I was looking up ways of how to trade. I watched Mario Moon trade live. Man, that dude is a fucking scientist. Keep marking that shit up.
Let's see what other artists they got. Travis Scott is cool. It's cool. That's with Ye though. I haven't heard the Ye part, but they got some West Side Gun shit. Let's see what they talk about.
What I mean when I say the Godfather, right? Well, we're going to hear about the godmother of cocaine. She is Griselda Blanco, a 69-year-old mother of four, seen here in one of her.
It's the hottest trading show on the net.
She is dead, gunned down by a motorcycle riding assassin as she stepped out of a.
Nobody knows it yet though. That's the problem. Well, it ain't even a problem. Ha ha!
I don't need a reason, man. I fly it every season, man. Bring it to your door, and I ain't talking about the pizza, man. Fiend dancing like Michael Jackson, told him beat it, man. When you turn that cocaine to rocks, you gotta heat it, man. 7 dwarves and they sniffing up that Snow White. My shit pure, it's gonna have you up all night. New York state of mind, man, it's all sight. When it come to crack rocks, I got different types.
Yes, sir. They can't stop me, even if they stopped me. Yeah, that boy from Holly Grove, cooking crack up on the stove, silencer on the Glock. Nigga, can you hear or not? Nigga, I just knew the plot. Shoot him, watch his body drop. Lost his mind, lost his head. Double tap, make sure he dead. Weezy and Faye never scared. Pissing in they underwear. Weezy got an army if you really wanna take it there. Know the fiends good, cause they jaws keep locking up. Niggas talking crazy, I'ma pop his top like 7-Up. Shot that boy like 22 times, is he dead or what? Got more O's than Cheerios in my bank account. Smoking all these blunts and sipping syrup till I'm passing out. Told that bitch boy say it direct and now he acting now. Hello world, you know I'm the greatest rapper. You know even when I die, baby, no one.
Yeah, my coffee serenading right now. Gotta re-warm it up, so yeah, not much to see. I honestly would have closed it at this point right here. I would have trailed it at this candle. Whenever it gets this close, 230 points, 40 points, you know, what is really 20 points at that point, you know? At most, I probably would have put it right by this moving average and just been tagged out right here, because it could break above this and just keep going up. But basically had 13 points to go, and I'm not playing with my money, man. I'm taking it. I'm taking it.
Yeah. Pull up in Armani trench coats. Mention me and you mention the GOAT. Get on the beat and I float. Have my hands around the throat of the game, and I could never give up anything. Don't mention my name. And if you talk about me, better mention the fame. And when you talk about me, don't forget all my chains. And niggas talk a lot of shit, but they ain't saying no names. Shorty acting like a zombie, so she giving me brain.
They got some Biggie Small shit.
It's just me. Talking about the greatest, man, they always discuss me. If everything you do is sick, then I am disgusting. Talking about some competition, man, ain't no such thing. 6 God and fly God, man, that's a combination. I don't care about awards or these nominations. At the top for 10 years, think I got complacent. Yeah, I'm more than average, all you little niggas basic. I remember they used to ignore me. Now I'm better than everyone that's before me. They told me to give up. I can never do.
Travis Scott and Biggie Smalls, pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Alright, we'll play two more from this guy and then we'll move on to another AI person. They got some Kendrick shit. Quavo. Pretty slow day though. Nonetheless, we did our thing for sure.
I must see Buddha. They killed my nigga, cold case, and they couldn't solve it. His baby mama too depressed, now she an alcoholic. Too much grief.
Hottest trading store on the net for trading Nasdaq. 230 points in profit for the team today.
We got rich and got out them trenches, niggas hate us now. Model bitches hit my phone up and I take them down. We up in the club first, ain't no waiting now. As a young bull, I wish I knew the right way. Now I'm out here.
Buy trap, yep. I'm looking at the chat. We caught that. Ha ha.
Try me if you wanna get violent. Try to put my dark days behind me. But niggas always run their mouth and try me. Nigga don't try me. Nigga don't try me.
Let's see. Shout out to the best team on stream.
Yeah, you know I get grimy. Don't know me slimy.
If you got an AI playlist, send it to the Discord so we can play it. Playing some Meek Mill. This some hot shit. Look like we're gonna hit that TP though.
I've been through it all, now I'm silent. Try me if you wanna get violent. Try to put my dark days behind me. But niggas always
Still playing around that moving average.
Nigga don't try me. Nigga don't try me. Better not try me. Yeah, you know I get grimy. Yeah, you know I get grimy.
Started from the bottom. Now I'm living my dream. Trading every day with Motion Capital Trading. These guys don't play. Like, comment, and subscribe. You will not regret it.
Best team on stream, man. Nasdaq trading at about the 29,700s on my chart. I don't know what it's trading at on the NQ. Probably around that 800s, 700-800s. A lot of auto tune on this one. This AI album, a lot of auto tune. I think when I listen to auto tune for too long, something about the sound make my head like ring a little bit. I don't know. But some hot shit though. I could tell some hot shit. Like if you play one or two of those in the club, I couldn't tell if the artist actually did that shit or not. Real talk. Anyway, we moving along with the charts. Looks like we're bouncing at these lows where we almost hit that 250 mark where we were aiming for. It was about 13 points off, coming above this moving average. Sent this out to the team, as you can see. I told everybody in between 940 and 950 we was going to short. And I kid you not, every candle above that pretty much failed to break to new highs, and 250 points almost later. We down in the trenches with Motion Capital. The best and hottest trading show on the net. I mean, there was some hot Wu-Tang shit we was gonna play too from this artist. He keeps dropping music though. He got some Eminem shit, some Snoop Dogg shit, some old school shit. Let's get into that old school shit, man.
Alarm clock screaming, cerebral ignition, chromatic ambition with a clinical vision. Life been a cipher, a cyclic attrition. So I turned every scar to a life mission. They took lightweight in a heavyweight zone. I was carved from pressure, so I'm holding the chrome. Every doubt in my chest got a painful tone. Now I feel bad, but a hunger that I call my own. Self-made fracture in a fractured system. Reflect on the rejection and sharpen the wisdom. Then I woke one day with a different decision. Like I ain't destroying these rappers, I'm a killer tradition.
Woo!
The mic, let the beat go quiet. Crowd goes still when I start that riot. One bar drops and the room goes silent. Murder this mic when I spit it straight balance. Now I map out measures in meticulous layers. Split syllable structures like surgical prayers. Check.
I ain't gonna lie. They kind of would have fooled me if they would have played this shit. This would have fooled me way more than that auto tune shit. This is some hot shit, bruh. This is some hot ass shit. This Wu-Tang AI shit. This shit is hot, bro. I can see myself actually bumping this shit. Sound like they saying some shit on this.
Stress every vowel and control composition. My plan ain't chaos, it's calculated collision. Every line is a lock with a code and inscription. Murder the mic, let the beat go quiet.
Nasdaq dropping hard, but it's bouncing off this 20. What is it gonna do?
Now the booth go dark when I step inside. Like the air gets dense when the pressure rise. Mic on the stand like it barely survived. While I let the whole room get sterilized. I don't raise my voice, I refine the blade. Every syllable cut like a razor parade. The mic shakes like it's caught in the shade. Every punchline lands like a seismic ray. It starts to crackle, distortion and fear. Like it knows every bar coming crystal clear. I circle the rhythm, it's trapped in the sphere. No exit route when the cadence appears. Final bar hits, room drops to a hush. Like a statue just turned into dust on a brush. Beat still breathing, but the silence is crushed. And the mic goes quiet, permanent hush.
Damn.
The mic, let the beat go quiet. Crowd goes still when I start that riot.
That's a good Wu-Tang. That's a good Wu-Tang AI right there, bro. I ain't gonna lie, dog. Nasdaq pulling up above this 20 now. It's buying. It seems like the sells got exhausted. Nice wick on the bottom of this 15-minute. We do have some liquidity, so definitely be careful with that. I think it's bouncing because we hit those London lows right about in this area here, as you can see. We hit that. We hit those stops. Those buyers that got that swoosh buy into the open. have now been stopped out, and we could head lower. We could continue towards our key levels on a higher time frame. Come down to these levels. Let's see. We're gonna keep the show going for about a couple more moments, and then kind of extended it today, but wanted to see if we could hit this target before 11:30 noonish, and we failed to do that as yet. It's 11:12 Eastern Standard Time. Nasdaq is still playing around this 20 EMA. Trying to hold these highs, trying to hold some type of buys this session. From 9:30 it bounced quite a bit. It popped, then it melted, then it popped, and then it finally ended up giving into the sells. I called it out, as you can see on Discord, at about 9:39ish. I told everybody I was shorting and looking for shorts. We caught one nice move right here, and a couple more moments later it just ended up melting. So gonna keep this show going. I'm gonna play a few more AI joints. Let's see his Kanye. His Kanye AI shit should be hot. His Kanye AI shit should be hot.
Break the law, steal shit. Angels and demons, face them or beat them, shake them or meet them, erase them or seek them.
Sway, you don't have the answers, Sway. Motion Capital Trading got the answers. If you're not subscribed, you're bugging the fuck out. They got the best trading shit on YouTube, hands down. Who else got better shit? Nobody, Sway, nobody.
They pull you right there. It's cool, cause I got all this money right now. That's why I smile when nothing's funny like wow. I'm on top of the world.
Look like we're gonna hit that 250 points in profit today.
Nobody fighting for me, I fight by myself. Can't cancel the goat, stand by what I said. You can write my face in the dirt, but you can never write.
It's coming up right now.
Killing these beats, I got away with words. Can't forget my mistakes, I got away with words.
Looking pretty good. Failing to break that 20 moving average is just failing to do that. Keeps trying and it's coming back down. This is the zone that is failing to break right here. Right about here. Keeps touching that zone and then it's just coming down right here. That would have been a good re-entry, but it's too low for me to enter. Right here was the best zone to re-enter, and that's where I entered and caught most of my profit right here off of that same concept. We teach all of this in the Motion Capital Trading Academy. So all the concepts, everything you need to know is there. And I don't know how long we're gonna be doing that, because as you can see, we are definitely on our way. But it's 11:15 Eastern Standard Time. I'm still gonna rock out with you guys. I still have yet to drink my coffee, and that's what I keep saying that. That's what I'm gonna do. So it's marinating right now. I let it soak. I had to reheat it. It's probably gonna be a fire ass cup of coffee today, boy. Cause I kind of got in my bag with these AI tracks. The Kanye one was kind of, the production on it was kind of stupid. I'm not gonna say stupid, but kind of not put together as much on his vocals. Let's see how this other Kanye one sounds. Let's see if they got us.
She asked me easy how you feel.
convinced on this one.
Average, but I ain't tell the truth. Man, my head is in fragments, and that doctor, he ain't helped me. He just gave me the tablets, so now I'm staring in the mirror of this medicine cabinet. She acting crazy downstairs, making a racket, but love means nothing, and she the one taking advantage. Time heals, but you can't cover these wounds with a bandage. Ask her how it come to this, and she getting embarrassed, cause we ain't been the same since the wedding and marriage. But if we split, then it's a loss. No Drake and 21 Savage. I said I don't feel like talking. Can you make me a sandwich? All the way she glow in the dark, I stay feeding her carrots. Took her shopping in Europe. She say this wig is in Paris. I said that shit cray. In fact, it's fucking hilarious. I got stomach cramps. She make me laugh even on a period. Honestly, I got no clue what to do with the pair of us, cause she moving so many ways that's mysterious, and I still can't work out if her intentions nefarious. Got me stuck in the moment. It don't matter what year it is. She set the bar, I took my shot. Now I'm high as the spirit is.
Started from the bottom. Now I'm living my dream. Trading every day with Motion Capital Trading. These guys don't play. Like, comment, and subscribe. You will not regret it.
Smack TP. Look at that. Just like that. Oh my gosh. Best trading show on the net, man. Stop playing with us. 250 points in profit. Y'all tripping. Whoo! This Kanye track is hot, bruh.
And I ain't even started to make even half of a statement in regard to it, cause I don't know the half of it, and that's the largest mistake. You need help, but I can't till you face who you are and replace that heart full of hate with a calm and embrace. You were charming at first, now you're harming and hurtful, and with them scars and the burns, you're starting to turn into a psycho. But I don't mind, that's alright though.
Damn, this is the Kanye song right here on Hip Hop Intelligence. Shout out to them, man. This track is hot, bro. I'm gonna leave it up for a second. Heavy Heart. Man, we just hit TP. We just hit target. I don't know what to feel right now. That was probably like the 10th one in the last 6 weeks or something. 5 weeks. Shit. I lost count. It was probably around 8 to 9. Almost 10. I think one more will probably be 10, bro. So I guess we're gonna celebrate. We're gonna do a giveaway once we get this payout. We're gonna do a giveaway. So shout out to the team for sticking around. If you want to tag along. Ooh. I'm gonna grab my coffee this time. That's how I'm gonna celebrate. We hit target again. It's kind of boring at this point. This playlist is hot though. Got me excited and shit. Got me excited, man. I needed that. I was kind of tired showing up to stream today, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Been tired, but I could get used to this, hitting targets like this. Volatility's going up with the Nasdaq. All type of shit going up with the Nasdaq. So, did I screenshot this yet? Let me make sure I get my little screenshot. Kind of boring at this point, homie. We got it in the bag. Ooh. Skip my coffee and we rock out. Let me go grab that. That Kanye joint was hot, bro. Let's see. Jadakiss versus Cassidy, Biggie Smalls, the big three. Oh yeah, I remember this dude. Yeah. All of this. So he dropped a few things this year, but it wasn't nothing major. A few Eminem tracks, Eazy-E. Let's listen to that Eazy-E, man. Shout out to Eazy-E, bro. $250 points in profit. Let's go.
Girls wanna ride when they see we up. Talk it loud when the green ball up. Turn a few dollars to a bank real quick. Now they all study every bar I spit.
Shout out to the best team on stream. 250 points in profit.
Stayed on my grind, never folded from stress. Now my name buzz when they mention who's next. Enemies tough, but they never press. Got a day one squad, that's a bulletproof set. Smoke in the ride, got the windows cracked. Every loss took me further than the winners at. Money keep calling, I'm answering that. While these broke boys hate, I'm laughing at that. Mine on the mission, no drip, no stall. Built this from the dirt, now we sit up tall. If they won't smoke, then they risking it all. Cause the team move deep when I'm making the call. Money on my mind, got the whole team up. Smoking the
Let's see.
got the whole scene stuck. Girls wanna ride when they see we up. Talk it loud when the green ball up. Talking long nights where they slept all day. Now they all
I'm gonna go grab my coffee and then we're gonna close out the show. 250 points in profit. It's crazy. Thank you guys for showing up.
unafraid. Storms in the distance, but my path stays straight. Built for the grind, so I move with the weight. Every choice measured, never been in the fate. Turn every hard lesson to a brick on my gate. Eyes on the prize while the dollars debate. All love in the streets till they turn it to hate. Gangsta stay back, alright, go click clack. Ride in the whip, roll a blunt, sit back. No cap, got the strap, bad bitch in my lap. Don't play no games and we shoot that crack. Move that cash, whole crew got my back. Thugging in these streets, did you think I just rap? From the squalor to the dollar, these bitches come holler. Money ain't clean, but my guns stay polished. Money on my mind, got the whole team.
You know what? I'm gonna put 250 points in profit right here.
The whole scene stuck. Girls wanna ride when they see we up. Talk it loud when the green ball up. Get that money, homie, stack that green. Smoke that chronic, man, drink that lean. Money on my mind and the drip so mean. Just another day living West Coast dreams. Bitches wanna holler, now I got that dough. Haters wanna say I only got one flow. Maybe that's true, but I stay ballin'. Never got involved in a name calling. Real respect, real, and I stay on the grind. 24/7 money stay on my mind. Still I keep pushing while the world stay blind.
We keep doing it, man. We keep hitting profit target, bro.
When they see me roll through, 'cause
And it's getting crazy.
I caught my own path, never needed no fame. Ain't no man alive that can step in my lane.
It's getting crazy, dog.
Got the whole team up. Smoke in the air, got the whole scene stuck. Girls wanna ride when they see we up. Talk it loud when the green ball up.
Uh-oh. What did I do?
I'm off the wagon and I'm lagging. Whoa, chase away the pain, lost the dragon, lost the dragon. I just ordered a Grammy, I don't need no award show. You writing the speech while I'm speaking in Morse code. Got the keys to the wardrobe, the lines released. Fuck the witch, she can stay inside and iron my jeans. I'm a beast, time for a feast. Good night to the me that knows reason and understands logic. Hello to the me who commit treason and fucks with some toxins. No option but to open the top of the pill bottle. I'm popping as if it wasn't a problem. Well, I guess it's not, cause I got him from the doctor, so I'll ask him for more. My ass on the floor, who the fuck's it at the door? Pass me the torch lighter, I have to get more higher. I got trapped in these cords wires and sorta fell down the back of this TV. Somebody's asking to see me, but I have to go pee-pee. Who you laughing at me? Pass the gas and it's easy. I laugh at myself all the time. Ha 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 hee hee. I'm just tired of all these shady ways.
I'm trying to get my screenshot, that's all. About to throw that bit on X. The Eminem shit is always hot on this shit. The Eminem shit is always hot. Always, bro. I think this is the part where my computer starts to wig out if I do too much shit.
Stay away, but the game's all whack. I've been watching from the sides and it ain't all that. Now I had to put the spikes on his baseball bat. Cock it back, this shit's elementary. I'm meant to be burning in hell. I missed the furnace and fell, feet first in a well. Then I surfaced, now my purpose is to serve you to sell. These bars will be your death like a permanent cell. These words that I yell have got you nervous as hell. You're taking small steps and it's too early to tell. I'm out my damn mind, you're still learning to spell. I take a leap from mankind like I was hurled from the cell. Standing up out the cage and having it out with Taker, then vanish without a trace through the Spanish announcer's table. It's as if I was Luke standing without a saber from the dark side, bringing the Anakin out of Vader. I'm just tired of all these shady ways. 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 I'm on the wagon and I'm lagging.
It's a hot ass Eminem song too.
I'm a fire-breathing dragon, break the elevator, so how to ceiling smash it. And blow the roof off this booth, show me respect. These rappers about to send me over the edge, over the edge. These rappers about to send me over the edge, over the edge, over the edge. 2 hits of this weed got me leaping like a frog. The spliff got me snoozing, sleeping like a log. Buried deep inside a bog, dreaming, reading, writing blogs on simulation theories. I'ma make you fear me when I redesign the gods. Grit my teeth and bite a dog till it's starting to bleed. That's just for snarling at me. If it barks, it'll see a sad ending like Marley and me. You ahead of your time, I'm so far in the lead that I time traveled to the Garden of Eden. Showed up before Adam got
Damn, this Eminem shit is hot.
the father to Eve's kids. I guess I'm part of the reason they partially evil. Cause the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Skip forward, party with Jesus. Watch Moses parting the seas. Walked in between, grabbed a shark by the teeth.
I'm gonna go grab my coffee and maybe we'll stick around for 1 or 2 more minutes. Best team on stream. Best team on stream. I don't even know if I'm saying this properly, but you know what I mean. Okay. Ah, man. What a day. Best team.
Staring the truth in the face and declaring the user a green
lines make you duck and dive. So intricate on this fucking mic, it's like I'm reading Crooked Eyes book of rhymes. Mind to ease you bite my skin so much they got sicker from Lyme disease. Ride with heat, hear screeching from the tires. I let it sing you all talk, preaching to the choir. Flow cold, heated through the fire. You only strap with a tool when you speaking through a wire. We can either just write or stand striking, but when it comes to my handwriting, it goes deep. I don't just put the pen to the page, I shove my hand right in. Breathing dragon, break the elevator, so how the ceiling smashing, blow the roof off this booth. Show me respect. These rappers about to send me over the edge, over the edge. These rappers about to send me over the edge.
Be right back.
Over the edge, over the edge. Took this bone out the box with this bitch in a thong and a socks. This new pot that I got is strong as a Knox. I've been chonging a lot. Could describe it. How long do we got? I got some new styles that drop like fresh songs from the locks. Keep talking your shit. I'll put your tongue on a rock, then I'll hammer a nail. Choke you in a battle till you stammer and fail. Tell your dog to quit barking or I'll stand on his tail. I'm the man and you frail. You whack and your flow dry as Canada rail. These rappers write me letters like the planet prevail. Think we pin pals till they get their hand in the mail. Pirate my tape, I get you hang from the sails. If they slam me in jail, I'm demanding a bail. Get buried in the desert on the sandiest trail and treat your girl like a princess, Diana. I'm a fire-breathing dragon, break the elevator, so how the ceiling smashing, blow the roof off this booth. Show me respect. These rappers about to send me over the edge, over the edge. These rappers about to send me over the edge, over the edge, over the edge. I'm a fire-breathing dragon, break the elevator, so how the ceiling smashing, blow the roof off this booth. Show me respect. These rappers about to send me over the edge, over the edge. These rappers about to send me over the edge, over the edge, over the edge. I'm a fire-breathing dragon, break the elevator, so how the ceiling smashing, blow the roof off this booth. Show me respect. These rappers about to send me over the edge, over the edge. These rappers about to send me over the edge, over the edge, over the edge. I done waited long enough for all this shit to settle, so I guess it's about time that I hit the pedal. You dealing with the devil, bitch, with the metal. I'm reaching the same levels back in the day, before the wind put the trap in the way. They never gave a fuck if I was rapping this way. Pass me the blade, slash your face, pass the page to this track on the plane of existence of a concord. If an alien civilization visited, yeah, I'm the equivalent of this, and I'm back in the race, bitch. Back in the conversation, you lack at a great distance. Battle with shady, please. Just look at the legends who gave me these tasks. He a pain in the ass. What you think he actually changed? Laugh in the face of their feet. Save me a seat on the throne, I'm a king. You're the joker within the pack, you a lame. Hold up this thing throwing dicks. Got the jack and the spade in the back of the Range Rover. Taking over the game again, bitch. It's hip hop intelligence. See, you ain't fucking with me. See him going and give a fuck who you be. Shady won't quit till I'm dead, you gon' see. So button your lips, you ain't fucking with me. You gonna see, you ain't fucking with me. See him going and give a fuck who you be. Shady won't quit till I'm dead, you gon' see. So button your lips, you ain't fucking with me. Button your lips, motherfucker, and quit talking. Quit walking up on this beat and going for your blood. But this beef ain't looking for me. Fuck with my team and it's over, we had enough of your shit. Fucking the clip that your truck in the street. Never gave a fuck who you be. You ain't fucking with me. Fuckity fuck, fuck, bitch, suck on the deed. Rappers are like cats stuck in a tree, but somehow they still look up to me. They climb the ladder, but I elevated. Hell, I made it look easy to be heavily celebrated. Whether I'm medicated or clean, I'm steps ahead of haters. I mean, with it blazing the weed or not, I'm making them green with envy, making a scene in this game until the day that I leave, bitch. It's hip hop intelligence. See, you ain't fucking with me. See him going and give a fuck who you be. Shady won't quit till I'm dead, you gon' see. So button your lips, you ain't fucking with me. You gonna see, you ain't fucking with me. See him going and give a fuck who you be. Shady won't quit till I'm dead, you gon' see. So button your lips, you ain't fucking with me. I sent the warning shots, I sent the warning. They keep on talking, they keep on talking. I sent the warning shots, I sent the warning. They keep on talking, they keep on talking. You might have forgot, let me refresh your brain. Been firing these shots way before the press could blame me for this and for that. Battling real life, fuck a diss on the track. You licking them shots, I'm licking them back. Wait, let me pause that, just like I did to your whack album the moment you dropped it. Yeah, the intro was dope, but I stopped it soon as you started rapping. I pulled over and tossed it out the window with a limo on the way to the money. Cause I'm stacking so much paper that it ain't even funny. Don't play with me, Sonny, I'll put your face on a poster. These haters better pray this shit stays on a holster. The wait is over, I got your names on these hollow tips, bitch. A doctor prescribed your medicine, it's time to swallow this shit. You gonna see, you ain't
Yeah, the Eminem AI is hot too. Let me see. I'm gonna put something on right now before I get my coffee, and then guess we call it a wrap. Great job today. Great job today. You know what? I'm actually gonna head out. I'm gonna just get ready after I make my cup. Not gonna really sit on. So thank you guys for showing up and showing out. We've been on for about 2 hours today, so a lot of value was given, and I see you guys on the next one. Peace.